Yes, we have come to the end of processing, but this is not the end of the course because we have some bonuses for you. There's a business plan template as one of the attachments to this course, so you want to check that out. There's also going to be a case study video of someone in this business sharing insights. So you really want to check that out to gain more insights. And here is a list of things to get you started in this business. Now, some inputs, that is the raw materials and ingredients that you would need for this, include fresh mangoes, water, sugar, yeast, and then the starter culture, which is the acetic acid bacteria culture. You want to make sure that your mangoes are of high quality, that the water is clean and potable for various stages of the production, including diluting the mango pulp or juice. The sugar will be used to aid the fermentation process by providing food for the acetic acid bacteria, and then the yeast will be used to kickstart um, the fermentation process if natural yeast is not sufficient. So this is an optional ingredient actually. Then going to the machinery and equipment that you need a fruit washer, a peeling and deseeding machine, juicing or pulping machine, fermentation vessels. This should be airtight and equipped with airlocks to allow gases to escape without letting in contaminants. Also, you need acidification tanks, and then you need a filtration system, aging tanks or barrel, bottling and packaging equipment, and then also quality control instruments like a pH meter to test the acidity level of the vinegar, and then hydrometer or other testing equipment that will be needed throughout the production process. Also, some additional supplies you will need are cleaning and sanitizing agents, packaging materials, storage containers, and then the utilities as the electricity, water supply, and ventilation system suitable for mango vinegar production. Now, some things to consider is that you have to make sure that you're being compliant with regulations. So ensure that your production space is compliant with your local health and safety regulations for food production facilities, which will include sanitary practices and products labeling requirements. Also, consider your scale of production. Choose machinery and equipment based on your production scale. So, if you're doing a small batch, the kind of machinery you would need is not the same as if you're going into a large scale production. Also, another thing to consider is maintenance and training. Plan for regular maintenance of your machinery and equipment and provide training for staff on proper operations and safety protocols. There's also a little quiz for you, yes, to check out how much you've learned from this course. So you want to check that out and see if you've really gained value from this course. There's also going to be a certificate for you after the course, and you might be wondering, why do I need a certificate in mango vinegar production? Where am I going to work with this? Well, this is a list of potential places that you can work with a certificate in mango vinegar production. You could work in a vinegar manufacturing company, a gourmet food store, a food processing company. You could work in hotels and resorts, restaurants and cafe, food processing facilities, agricultural research institutions, nutrition and wellness centers. You could just be providing a lot of insights as to the value of mango vinegar from everything you've learned in this course. Also, you could also work in natural health stores, also providing a lot of knowledge for people. You could work with vocational schools and colleges. You could do go into consulting and freelancing. You could also do specialty food stores, online retail platforms, food safety and regulatory agencies, quality control laboratories. You could go into entrepreneurship, create your products and be selling to target audiences. Also, you could go into export and international trade, research and development. Please note that some places on this list will require you to have additional certifications. So you want to do more research into that and also figure out what is expected of you. There are also going to be video resources to help you learn more about the production of mango vinegar. So you want to check that out. Connect with the contacts of entrepreneurs in this business that will be dropped, so you can also gain more insights from them. Feel free to ask them questions about how they run their business and about the production process. Thank you so much for coming to the end of this course. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will be sure to answer you. Bye for now.